The second building block of a style is material. So after you choose your body, you'll be asked what material you want to make your design with. In the materials library, which you can navigate to by going to Design Materials, you can learn more about all of the premium, all-natural materials that we have in inventory. We're constantly adding new materials, working with new mills, and introducing newness to our collection. In the library, you can click into any specific material to learn more about the weight, the content, the care instructions, and the price per yard. Note that while you can see the price per yard in the materials library, you'll also get a flash cost in real time while designing your style of the specific cost of that garment that you're designing with. Within our material library, there are several different approved channels for each material to show you what type of order this specific material would be eligible for. So in this case, you could use the Tencel Dabi for a sample, for a larger wholesale order, or for a style that you're selling through your e-commerce store. Some materials are reserved for only wholesale orders, larger orders, while some are reserved for e-com and sample orders. These tags are dynamic and will change as material demand changes season over season. If you would like to see and touch the materials in real life, you are welcome to purchase a swatchbook by pressing Purchase Swatchbook in the top right corner. That will bring you to materialswatchbook.com, where you can order a swatchbook to view all of the materials that we have in inventory with printed colors on them. In the next video, I will review the process of how to design and order specific material swatches in your CreateOne account. This will give you the flexibility to see your own artwork and color and logo printed on our materials, and is another great way to get familiar with the materials that we have in inventory.